Find what moves you and let it move you. Fearless and unadulterated feelings that move through your body. Breathe. Separating form from feeling, separating thoughts from sensing, becoming one intuitive being. Dream-like reality manifesting through our bodies. Up, down, forward, back, twist, diagonal, right, left. It's the life force within us that moves us everywhere. The light that we search in the darkness of our own depths extends its hand towards us through movement. When we move intuitively, we wrestle with the angels and we dance with the gods.